Oh, I'm not like the Flash at all. Some would say I'm the reverse.
Yo, what is up? So, we're gonna do some more character creator work. Lord Kenny, what up, Lord Kenny? What you got going on? What up? So, we changed that stuff with the material last night, so now we need to change some things with how our preset colors are working. Because now it's all really bright. Hi man, not too much, just doing this modular building set. How about you? How are you? I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I saw your wall. Your wall's looking good. Yeah, modular building pieces, man, they take a while. We still aren't done with ours. We gotta go back. That's what I'm gonna go back to once we're done with our character creator. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Oh God.
Holy mother of God!
The Bobo. What up, the Bobo? What up? Just adding the cement between the bricks. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. We still gotta finish that. Yeah, the cement. Hell yeah. Yeah, I didn't quite do mine like how you're doing. So you're doing a bunch of like separated bricks. I didn't quite do that. I'm just slapping on a brick material and calling it a day. Yo, what up, the Bobo? What you got going on? What up? Alright, so let's go to our maps. Right here. So I did that first, but it didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to. Did it just like look really flat or something, or like what about it did you not like? So yeah, what we gotta fix is our preset colors now. Since we changed our oh, I need to get rid of this guy over there. We don't need two of me here. I need to fix some of our colors when we choose our classes, because they're all a little washed out now. And I need to fix the these buttons now, because that's way too red now. Hold up, what class are we? Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's how it's supposed to be. So yeah, I gotta fix some of this stuff. Some of them might be okay. Some of them need to be fixed though. We'll probably go through all of them though. So the edges of the wall were really stretched? Are you sure that wasn't a UV thing? That was probably just a UV thing. Let's move on. Do you know any good channels that deal with Niagara? I have seen some. Let me see if I can find that one that does a lot of Niagara stuff. Let me look that up real quick. See if I can find this one guy that is really good at Niagara stuff. Forget what his channel name is though. What is his channel name? I forget what I was looking up to find it. Maybe it was like a flamethrower thing. Let me see. Let's see. Maybe this guy? I want to say it's this guy. Maybe. This guy has a good chunk of Niagara stuff. I don't know if this is the guy, though. I'm gonna drop this channel, because he does have some cool shit with it. Let me drop it in the chat real quick. There you go. There's probably some more out there, but I'm not too sure. Just a thought just started? Indeed, yeah, we're just now starting. Oh, what you got going on, Just a Thought? What up, what up? Character creator widget, here we go. When I altered the UVs, it didn't look good at all because the bricks looked really odd. Did you apply your transform? How did you shape your shape? Because if you do it in edit mode, your UVs should be fine, but if you stretch the shape of your wall in object mode, it'll stretch the UVs. So if you change the shape of it in object mode, you need to apply your transform. And that'll fix your UVs. I used to follow CG How, but it put videos visible only to subscribers, paying subscribers. Yeah, that shit's annoying. I hate when channels do shit like that. Yeah, that shit's really annoying. There's a guy called Ashif Ali. He's good. Yeah, there's a few Niagara folks out there that are really, really good. El Gordo Gringo, what it do, bro? Siv, what up? What you got going on? We about to fix some of our colors. Well, what up? Ashif Ali has a whole playlist, 200 videos on Niagara. Oh, yeah, that guy's probably a good one to watch then. Yeah, look into him. Ashif Ali is CG How. Oh, he's the one that is requiring you to pay for them. Made them all private, 200 videos. Made them all private. That's stupid. That's stupid. Well, never mind then. Never mind. That is so stupid. I hate when channels do that, man. I did stretch the shape. Oh, I keep forgetting that. I can see them. You can see them. Can you watch them? Yeah. So yeah, when you stretch the shape like that, you gotta apply the transform, and the UVs get all wonky. Okay, so we need to set our preset color. Let me go copy the color from what I have it set as in my material color picker, my collection parameter here. I'm just gonna copy these values and set them in here. That should be good. Yeah, right there. So let me just copy this guy, and I need to set the same thing on my female version here. So that should fix our colors there. El Gordo, same shit, different day. But sometimes you have different shits on different days. Like if you took a shit and it was the shit that you took yesterday, I'd be a little concerned. Like how do you achieve that one? Unfortunately, it doesn't show them to me. Weird. I'm gonna use these videos to learn Niagara myself, I think. Yeah, I need to learn some more stuff about Niagara as well. I know a little bit. Like, I can do basic stuff with Niagara, but making really cool shit, I don't know how to do that. Ryan Hawkins, good morning. How's the color problem solving going? It's going good. It's going good. We actually got it solved, but now I just need to change how we're setting our colors. So we got it solved, but now we need to just change some other things because the way I had it set before, I'll show you real quick. Everything is really, really bright now because we're using a different method for skin color. So right now, this should be fixed. Yeah, these colors are fixed, but if I go to my skin colors, preset colors, a lot of these are really, really not good now. So I gotta fix some of these because some of them are really bright and. But I do like what it does with the. Oh, I need to get rid of that print string. I clamped this value so you can't go too bright on the adjust color here. So I set the value to a max value of 0.5. So once you get about halfway, that's actually the max, but yeah. But I do like how the skin looks now compared to how it was. A lot more realistic. Nice. Oh yeah, yeah. We got some fixes to do with our preset colors specifically, and on when we choose our different classes and stuff. Fair enough. Yeah, yeah. I'd be a little concerned if that happened. A little concerned. So let's see. This is our elf. I think our elf color is not too bad. Let me check that real quick. What up, Ryan? What you got going on today? What is on the old plan for the day? So let's see, if we choose our elf, I think that color's pretty decent still, actually. I don't think we really need to do anything to that one. Our half elf, we need to fix that one because that's not the same as our main color anymore. Actually, I might increase the value a little bit of this color. So let's go into our color picker, increase the value to a full 0.5. Gonna do that. 0.5, maybe points. Yeah, well, let's look at 0.5 first. It's a little brighter. Probably playing with code until I go see my kids later this afternoon. Nice, nice. Yeah, tomorrow's C++ day for us, so we have a specific day of the week that we're dedicating to C++, learning C++ and stuff. And that is tomorrow. At least until I run out of C++ tutorials. I'm probably going to have to buy some C++ Udemy courses. And once I do that, I won't be able to do those on stream. So that... I think that looks decent. I need to fix this one though. Ooh, I gotta fix the value on the this now though. So right here, go ahead and set that to 0.5. And on this one, 0.5. What is my... Okay, oh, that should be fine. Let me check that real quick. Yeah. Female, male. Human, elf, human, yeah. I think that's decent. Oh, that video is locked? That's cool. Hell yeah. I can see the visual of what you use as a visual person myself, but sometimes written code seems easier to organize. I like watching both ways. Yeah, I've just been, I kind of learned all of this on Blueprint, so I'm just like more familiar with blueprints, but I know like you could do way more in C++, so I just know it's better for a lot of situations. Hydrate, good old water. Antony, hi again. What's up? What you got going on? What up, what up? Good old water, yeah, good old water. Alright, so we need to also set this color for our half-elf. So let me copy this. Yo, Stitcher King, what's up, Stitcher King? What up, what up? So our half-elf color, we're gonna update this here. Throw this guy in. Same for our female half-elf. Yo, about to eat some spaghetti and bolognese soon? Bolognese? What is bolognese? Is that bologna? Am I just saying it weird? Okay, so that should fix our half-elf. Bolognese? Spaghetti and bolognese? Spaghetti and bolognese. What is bolognese? Is that bologna? Multiple bologna? Bolognese? Pasta al ragu? Spaghetti al formaggio? It's something. Working 24/7 and getting no sleep? Oh no. Time to call out. Can you call out? Is that a thing you can do? Time to call out, catch up on a damn day of sleep. Hey, you need that sleep. I don't know, in Sweden we just call it spaghetti and meat sauce. Yeah, I don't know, we don't even really like specify the meat side of things here. We just say spaghetti. We say spaghetti and meatballs here a lot. We just say that. Marius, Carrie, Kenny, how you doing? What's up, Marius? What you got going on? What up, what up? Yeah, I saw you came in briefly last night, Marius. Sorry I didn't get to say much. We were balls deep in trying to fix some material issues. We got it situated now, though. Maybe I bring the half-elf value down a little bit. Meat and some cream and tomato sauce, onion spices. That sounds good as hell. That sounds good as hell. Hey, no worries, brother. Well, hell yeah. What you got going on today? What is the old plan for the day? Yeah. Balls deep? Yeah, we were balls deep in the materials last night. Absolutely balls deep. Let me try this color. See how that's looking. I haven't slept in four days. I need help. That should be illegal. Like, is your work really like that busy that you can't get sleep? What do you do for work to not get sleep? I don't know. It's Monday, so I might take a day off from streaming today, but I don't know yet. Need to get some dinner in me before I decide. Hey, days off every now and again is always nice. I definitely take some days off here and there as well. Always nice to just have a relaxed day. Let me copy that. I'm gonna set that on our female elf. But where is Kenny? Kenny was here. Kenny was just here a minute ago. Maybe Kenny ran away. Alright, there's Kenny. There he is. And Tony, I'm a game dev? Oh, so like... Damn, do you work for like a big studio or something to not be catching sleep? Here, let me open the YouTube chat here. It's easier to see. Penny, Dame, yo, what's up? What you got going on? I don't even have a deadline. I just want to be productive, so you're just doing it to yourself. So you're just doing it to yourself then, right? You gotta catch some sleep. Gotta get some sleep. Sleeping is productive. The more sleep you have, the more productive you could be. I'm good. Gonna make me some spaghetti bolognese for dinner. Oh wow, another person? Another person making the same thing? I need to put lost coworker on milk carton. Lost coworker. Sorry, I was looking at recipes for bolognese. What is bolognese? Did you figure out what it is, Lord Kitty? I still don't know. Right, I was wondering who you were talking to. Yeah, I stream to YouTube and Twitch. So yeah, I put you could see the YouTube chat like in the chat box on the stream, but yeah, it doesn't come through Twitch though. But yeah, that's why I throw it on the chat box on screen so they can help people get a little less confused. So elf. There we go. Oh yeah, spaghetti gang? Hell yeah, yeah, spaghetti's good. Spaghetti's good. Good, oh, everyone is talking about it? Yeah, apparently. Someone else just said they were making the same thing. For me, it's spaghetti, tomato-based sauce, and minced meat. It could also be with meatballs. Hell yeah. I don't work for anyone else either. That's why I need help. So it's just you doing it to yourself. I think it's time for a nap. Oh, this is what it is? Damn, this shit looks good. I wish I could eat this. Sadly, that is not something I can eat, though. I wish it was. Like just chatting? Yeah, we looked at it. Yeah, that shit looks good. Not making bolognese. I have, we're just searching for recipes. Is it pronounced bolognese? Is that what it is? Bolognese. I have heard bolognese. I've heard of that before. Yeah, I've heard of that. I could just be pronouncing it way wrong. Future Spaghetti Gang rise up, hell yeah. Yes. You guys can have the spaghetti, I'll eat the required garlic bread sides. Just the sides? You don't want the actual spaghetti? That's it? Yeah. I was probably pronouncing it just way wrong. Why they throw a G in there? It throws me off. I have way too much ADHD. Yes, that's why. ADHD? Do you have ADHD meds to help for it? That could help. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I have ADHD or not. My folks didn't take me to doctors growing up very much, so I could have ADHD. Is that a good color? Maybe we change that. Garlic bread is god tier. Yeah, garlic bread's good as shit. Brother, this blueprint is looking extra thick today. Holy crap, what a big boy. Yeah, this is our character creator blueprint is getting pretty big. We got a lot going on in here now. We got a whole lot of stuff going on in here now. We're gonna collapse some of it down to functions at some point, but yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. And we got these other nodes that are already collapsed. We got more shit going on in these. Yeah, basically all of these looks like that. We got our add stats, subtract stats. We got a lot going on in here. Yeah. Yeah, it's getting a big boy. And we ain't even halfway done yet. We still got a shitload of stuff to do. How often do you use paid assets versus free assets when you work on your legitimate projects? It depends. Like a lot of things, I'll use some paid assets, and a lot of them I use stuff that I make. Some of them are free. It depends. I kind of go over what I'm using that's paid for, free, or stuff that I made. So for animations, I basically use... Most of my animations will be from packs. For locomotion, I grabbed some stuff from the ALS packs and just and retargeted them. I have some packs for UI stuff. So a lot of the UI that you're seeing on screen, I got from a pack that I paid for. Clothes and stuff, I'm making myself, like the boots and outfits and stuff. I'm making pretty much all of that stuff myself. Environment stuff, a lot of the like trees and foliage and all of that stuff I'm grabbing from packs that I got. Most of those for free from the you know, free shit that you get on Epic. Animations, I have like basically all my combat animations are from other packs that I paid for. So I got a bunch of combat stuff for animations that I paid for. most of the buildings and stuff that we're using, I'm building a modular building set myself. So I got a bunch of building pieces in here that I've been building in Blender that we're gonna use to kind of put together buildings and stuff. A lot of like Niagara systems and stuff like that. I'm also using from packs and stuff. All the characters and stuff that I'm using are pretty much from MetaHuman, other than I've made a few AI myself that I made in Blender. Like I got this little wolf character that I made in Blender. And I got another little thing here that I made in Blender that I need to make some changes to them, but yeah, I'm kind of all over the place. Some things I make myself, some things I grab from packs. It depends. It depends. Yeah, but if I take my meds, I can't sleep? What? Your meds make you not able to sleep? There's definitely a ton in there. Yeah, we got a lot. We got a lot going on in the character creator, but yeah. And we still got a ton to add to it. I only make my own assets? Yeah, that's time consuming. That's time consuming. If I could save some time and just grab some stuff from some packs, I'm all for it. Especially in a game like that. Got all the spaghetti you need in this character creator. Hey, I think my character creator's pretty clean. I don't see too much spaghetti going on. I try to keep it clean. We can clean it up a little bit more too later once I collapse some things down and such, but yeah, we'll get there. I have a question. I can see that when you are switching between cameras, it happens slowly, so that it looks like the camera is moving. How are you doing that? I'm doing that with view target with blend. So I'll show you the node for it. All that's going on in my level blueprint. Okay, now my level, okay, the camera switching. This is definitely spaghetti. My camera switching is the most messy thing I have. But yeah, this is how I'm kind of swapping between cameras and stuff. All of this stuff. Yeah, this node. You want to look for this node right here, Lord Kenny. Set view target with blend. You grab your player controller, and you get a reference to the camera that you want to swap to when either, you know, use an input or something. And you can set the blend time in it to how fast you want to go from where your current camera is and swapping to the camera you're trying to move to. So yeah. That's just the character creation? Yeah, this is just the character creation. All of this stuff going on in here. This is all just character creator. All just character creator stuff. Yeah, it's clean AF, well done. Yeah, this isn't. This part's not. The rest of it is, but my camera swapping is very much spaghetti. So much more engagement? Henny? What's up, Henny? What you mean, so much more engagement? What you talking about? Now this is true Italian? This is true Italian right here. My camera swapping. This is where the spaghetti is. Oh, and then it happens smoothly? Yeah, so pretty much this code right here is what's controlling the... It's not controlling this camera movement, that's all just controlling the movement once you actually get down to the down here. So it's controlling being able to scroll. It's also controlling these buttons right here. And if I go over here, it swaps to another camera set and swaps between this. And also if you're female, it'll go to a different camera that's here. And if I go back to male, it'll swap up to that one. So yeah, that's what all that spaghetti is doing. It's controlling this stuff. I'm gonna keep this as background while I continue working. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. It's 2:37 here, by the way. Is that AM, PM? I don't know if you use AM and PM. I use AM and PM. So for me, it's 11:55 AM. Do you have global variables where you could adjust one setting and it'll adjust that setting for all the smaller nodes, or do you have to change each one individually? It depends on what you mean. So, I have variables in my, like I have right now, what I'm doing is I have a components. I have these different components, like so for our character creator, I have this custom character component, and I'm setting some variables in here that we're changing inside of our character creator widget here when we, you know, change settings and stuff. We're changing some of these variables. So we're just grabbing our player ref, and then when we set different things, so let me see, yeah, right here. So like when we use the color picker right here, we're grabbing this custom character component and setting our skin color to be that. That was just the characters that YouTube wouldn't let me fit in the first message. Oh, I see. Well, what up? What you got going on? What up, what up? AM? Oh, damn. So it's like bedtime. Or wake up time. For instance, who that? It's Junum. What's up, Junum? What you got going on? For instance, if you want to if you want the same transition speed for everything, can you change it in just one spot? You could do that. So like, say if I wanted all of my cameras to change at the same speed, what I could do is make a variable. I could just like make a float variable and just plug that float variable into all of these blend times and just change that value over here. I'm not doing it that way though. I could do it that way, but I'm not, because these are gonna change differently than how, like the blend time on my, actually we're not even doing a blend time for the first thing because we're playing a sequence initially. So when we move from like selecting the difficulty and going down to the character creator, this is just a level sequence instead of a blend time. So we just play a sequence and then it blends to the camera down here, which is what we're doing right here. Yeah. Yo, what up, Junum? What you got going on? Okay, cool. I appreciate you taking your time answering. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, we could do it that way. You could do it that way if you wanted to. Just like make a float variable, plug it into your blend time, and you could just change the value in your variables over here. Yeah. Henny, I was just basically saying I love your engagement with the chat during lives. That with the content you've been nailing out. You deserve so much more engagement, man. 1.3k subs is criminal. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, I try to stay active. If chat's active, I normally try to chat it up with folks. But I appreciate it. 1.3k subs is criminal. I mean, we'll get up there. We'll get up there. It'll grow. I've only been doing like game dev content for about 3 months. So I don't think 1.3k is too bad for like 3 or so months of doing this. Let's see. How are you, Carrie? How are you, chat? I'm doing pretty good. How are you? Do you have school today? You have some school stuff? We're fixing some color stuff right now, Junum. So like, we changed the way that we're doing our skin colors. So now we're fixing some of that stuff. So, yeah. We're changing some skin color stuff. Oh, I need to get rid of that print string. Let me go do that. Where am I doing that print string? Somewhere in here. Yeah, right here. That was just me testing some stuff. I clamped the value of how bright you can go. Yes. Yeah, you did school? Yeah, that damn school, man. No doubt it'll grow, the quality's there. Give it about 2 months and one of these vids is gonna blow up and you'll blow up. Maybe, it's completely possible. We'll just have to see what happens.
This
You
is a
never know.
reminder to save your work now, for fuck's
A
sake.
save? I think we're saved up, but... Yeah, I'd be spamming that save. Be spamming the save. Hydrate? I drink some water. Hell yeah. Just tired. University is killing me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not in university. That's definitely... I don't think I would like it. I didn't even like high school, so... I know I wouldn't like college. Oh no, you just saved? Yeah, I spammed the hell out of the save button. I make any change. It's just like muscle memory to go and save and compile. Always save and hydrate? Hell yeah. Be right back, gonna go eat spaghetti bolognese. I'm just gonna keep calling it bolognese. I'm just gonna keep calling it bolognese. That's how they spell it, that's how I'm gonna say it. But hell yeah, enjoy your spaghetti. Let's see. So we need to fix... Where's our colors? So we got up to there fixed. I'm debating, should we... should I bring the value of my Infernian color down? Let me look. Yeah, maybe a little bit. I need to... Oh, I need to add that to the tail as well. That material function. So let's do that. Let me find my tail. This material... Let me grab that material function. Material functions. Metahuman MH skin underscore MF. We'll pull this guy in. Enjoy, indeed. So did you fix the seam problem between the head and the body? I still haven't tried what Casey was talking about. Yeah, I still haven't done it. I'm gonna give it a try. I just haven't done it yet. But he says it fixes the seam. So we'll give it a try at some point and see if it does fix it. Have you tried it? We need to change some things here. I think we need to do... I need to copy what I'm doing to my body material, I think, for this. Not yet? Yeah, I still haven't tried it yet either. But I will at some point. Casey teach about the computing normals, right? Yeah, I just gotta re-import and do that, compute the normals. So it should be easy. We'll just see. I just gotta take the time to do it. There you go. I have to find my body parts again? You don't know where they are? Oh no! Oh no! Hunting down old files. Salvador Speed dropping in. Welcome in. Welcome in. How's it going? What you got going on? I think that one was 0.1. I think this one was point. Or I think that was 1. I think this one was 0.02. I think. I need to open my metahuman material and take a look. Person. Let me open this. Cement is now added in between the bricks. Hell yeah. How's it looking? Is it looking pretty friggin' sweet? Alright, let's open this. So I need... Are these values right? That was 0.1. Oh, I set it at 0.1, 0.5, 0.02. So let's see. 0.1... 0.5, 0.02. We'll do that. I had a problem with my PC that meant I had to format it completely. What? What? I have the file saved somewhere on my HD, but I have it? Oh, okay. So you do have the files. You just had to move them. Yo, what the hell happened to your PC? I have to do that. Alright, back to work. Have a great day, brother. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, you have a good day at work. You have a good old work day. Was busy, but back to the grind. Hell yeah. Enjoy the grind. That good old grind. But hell yeah, I appreciate you stopping in. I appreciate you stopping in. Posted a pic on the Discord. Let's take a look. Hell yeah. Oh, I like it. Yeah. Good old cement. Hell yeah. So have you tested putting these walls together? Because to me, it looks like you might have a little trouble putting them together. Because both of these are open on both sides. Yeah, it doesn't work? Yeah, I was thinking you might have a little trouble because both of these are even on both sides. There was a power outage here at my house, right? Well, right when my Windows were updating, then it corrupted the SSD files, and I was sleeping at the time. It happened. Oh no! What? Dude, that terrifies me. When it storms around here, I'm just like, man, let me just turn my damn computer off. I don't want shit to go wrong. No cement texture yet, though? Yeah, I mean, they got plenty of those. Where you getting your textures? Are you using, Megascans? Kinda like that wall, great job. Yeah, it looks nice. Looks like a nice wall. A nice wall. Charge Dev, hi, what's up, Charge Dev? What you got going on? What up, what up? Planning on cutting those edge bricks in half so it works? Yeah, you'll get it. You'll get it. I couldn't, unfortunately. I'm getting them online. You couldn't? You couldn't get Megascans? Why not? Pretty sure we already listened to this. Let me change the damn song. YouTube's doing its looping bullshit. Let's go down here. GG. Hell yeah. Okay, so I need to kind of copy what I'm doing up here. So let me copy this. Let me copy this. Let me copy this. And this. Let me just copy all of that. Get rid of that. And we're just gonna paste all of that in. R, G, B. And I think, let me just look at what I'm doing here. 0.9 is what I'm doing on that one. Okay, that's fine. And then all of these need to go into this one, R, G, and B. And then this will be, let me look. This will be false, and this will be true. And let's look at that. That should fix our tail. Let's look though. We might have to change some values. So of course I need a texture for an individual brick, but they are all multiple brick textures. On bridge? Oh yeah, that's right. I mean, you could probably use something like a cement texture, right? And just like change the color of it. Or like a rock texture or something very, very similar and just like change the color of it, right? That's probably what I would do. I'm good. I just made a system where it's possible for the thermometer to detect freezing temps. Does it like freak out when it's freezing? What does it do when it detects it? Okay, that does not fix that issue. So let's see. Let's see what's happening. Oh, it's because we need to... We don't need... I think we don't need this. Right? Let's look at that. Yeah, probably could. Yeah, that's probably what I would do. I would just get something kind of similar and just change the color. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that fixes the tilt. Right, let me take a look at that though. Doesn't look like we're getting the... I guess we are, but... Let me change the tiling of it, maybe. Am I doing tiling to this? Oh no, I have just regular tiling plugged into it. Let's do skin 2 tiling. Plug that guy in. And let me look at what I'm doing to the tiling of that. It's probably just 1, but... Well, it just shows temp, but your character also will have what's called dragon breath when in cold spots. So they'll like you'll see like some fog in front of their breath when it gets cold. Hell yeah! Hey Carrie, oh, is it Zelda time? Let's see. Let me pull this guy up. Pause this. See, if I was on my other account, I'd go ahead and add this to the playlist, but. That's on my other account where my playlist is set. I need to just add this. I saw you posted that. I need to just add it. Yeah, so when they breathe out, it's all misty. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna start working on our horror projects. Probably Wednesday. I started working on the game design document a little bit last night and earlier today. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Cat Gym. Hell yeah. Alright, let's look at that. So let's see. I need to pull up the Infernian material. Or this one. Skin 2 tiling. Maybe I'll make the tiling of that smaller. Let's set it to 0.1 for now. Lapampadora? Did I say that right? Hi everyone, what's up? What you got going on? What up, what up? Oh yeah, we made it through that. Let's go back here. Hell yeah. You saw how basic my item system is? Yeah, that's about as basic as it gets for picking up items. About as basic as it gets. But hey, if it works, it works. I've got some experience in making horror games in UE5. Hell yeah. Yeah, we're about to start up a horror project to do on the side. Because I want to have something that's smaller than an RPG to work on as well. Something I can get done faster, you know? Something that I can get out there a little bit faster, and maybe if we could release that, it might help me fund some of this. Is that song playing from Zelda from N64? I don't know which Zelda that's from. Which Zelda is that from, Stitcher King? This is from Conker's Bad Fur Day from N64. Try not to overkill things. Yeah, I want to try to keep my horror project pretty basic as well. I'll probably add an inventory and stuff into that project, but as far as mechanics that are going to exist in that project, it's going to be pretty basic. Like a lot of puzzle solving and just like stealth mechanics. And that'll be pretty much how you get through the game. Solve puzzles, find items, stealth around enemies, that kind of thing. I might add some melee combat, but I'm gonna kind of make the enemies hard to kill, I think, so that you want to try to avoid melee if you can. Hope you're fine. Yeah, you said it right. Hey, there we go. Normally I butcher names. But hell yeah. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. How are you? What do you got going on today? What's the old plan for the day? Like, you don't need a whole ass inventory for being able to hold 2 items? Yeah. Yeah, that's true. You don't need an inventory if you're only gonna have, like, a few things that you can mess with at a time. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add inventory to mine, though. Because I'm gonna have, I think I'm gonna add a bit more stuff that you can carry around that you'll need. Ocarina of Time is 64, yes. They have the potion shop theme in Majora's Mask 2, I believe. Hell yeah. Yeah, I only played Ocarina of Time. I never got to play Majora's Mask. I think I broke my model a bit in Blender. Oh no. What? What happened? Why is there a bunch of orange dots scattered around the outside of the wall? On your model? Is that something? Is that what's happening? Let's see. Maybe I want to divide... No. Let me plug this directly in. Look at that. Yeah, oh no. Oh no. What happened? Is it just the texture that you throw on it, maybe? Have you tried putting it in rice? Yeah, rice might dry it out. It'll fix it. Majora's Mask is good? Yeah, I never got to play it. I always wanted to play it. I just never got to. Let me see. I think we need to make that a little darker for the tail. So I need to change some values. Maybe of this one. Set this to 2. We'll play with some values here. See what we get. Oh yeah, while here, does anyone know where to get free music for your game without copyright? Yeah, there's a few places. So let me pull up some stuff real quick. There's this one website that's got some pretty decent stuff. Pixabay, royalty-free sound effects for download. They have music and stuff on here too. You get sound effects and stuff on here. You kind of want to look though, because it'll say over here whether it's royalty-free or not. Yeah, you could find music on here, sound effects, all kinds of stuff. So, very loud. Yeah, you can find stuff on that website. This one right here, Pixabay. Troubleshooting the last problem on a simple game I'm working on. Those first stutters when I start the level. Only on first launch, it's driving me crazy. And you? What, you're having some weird stutters when you launch it? Is it doing it in a packaged version? Have you tested it like in a packaged version of the game? I think the dots are supposed to be in the center of the cement bits, but instead they are all over, scattered around the whole model. Oh, so that's probably a tiling issue then, right? Oh, the origins of the cement bits are all off. I have to recenter them to the geometry, I think. Fixed? Oh, hell yeah. There you go. You got it. Thanks. Oh, yeah, no problem. Yeah, just gotta... You still kind of gotta keep your eye on, like, what's copyrighted and what isn't on there. But it'll normally tell you what is and what isn't. Yeah, I'm not seeing that second texture on the tail for some reason. Let me pull that up. We're setting layer skin to true. You could see it here, but it's not showing on... Maybe it's just that the red is too bright. Let's turn it down a little bit and see. Put the value to 0.2. I was thinking we should make a group of working together to make a game. I actually have a channel in the Discord for that. For if you want to look for a team, you can we got a channel in here for that. If you want to find people for teams. Oh, that sounds like an idea. Yeah, talking about like putting a team together. Okay, so the color is there. It's just not very apparent. Let me bump the tiling back up. Yep, on an iOS package version, just on first launch, like compiling shaders, stutter starts. The moment I move the camera character, brain is melting. But it stops. It just does it on like start and compile. I mean, is that really like a big problem then? If it's not like a big stutter. I feel like a lot of games do that. Like they'll initially kind of stutter. Like definitely for me, a lot of games that I play, like I've noticed things like that. Like initial startup will have some weird stutters and then kind of clear up. Yeah. Yeah, teams could be useful. Teams could be useful to help you get shit done faster, that's for sure. Okay, so it's there. Does it for about 10 to 15 seconds, then it does it again when I come close to another zone. That's why. Maybe it's... Does it have something to do with like your culling? Like maybe you have like a bunch of things loading in and loading out that's making it stutter? Just play it on the player system? Yeah, like Bethesda. Did they do that? Did they do that with damn, what was that game they just released? I can't even remember the name of it. That space game they made. They were like, maybe you just need to upgrade your PC to play this. Now I'm blaming Unreal 5.1. It could be. Unreal is pretty heavy. Singularity 6 created Palia with just 6 people, so a team of 6 people would probably be enough to make a game. I mean, one person is enough to make a game depending on the type of game, but yeah, if you got like multiple people working on a project, that definitely makes what you can make a lot better, for sure. I'm open to working with teams. I think it would be awesome to get a badass team going and getting like a really cool game made. Hell yeah. Personally, I wouldn't work with other people unless it's professional or with close friends. Yeah, you definitely want to be careful about like the people you work with, especially like if you find like teams in different places like Discord or like Reddit pages like I need a team, and like because like those places are notorious for people like starting a project together and then just like bailing out and stuff. Like that kind of shit happens all the time, but yeah. Same? Yeah, I think it'd be cool. I've never really gotten to work in a team environment, so I'm just kind of like, I just kind of want the experience. I know that's something that some places look for on applications, like whether you've worked in teams or not. Oh, by the way, for those interested, I just discovered that for a successful iPhone package, Xcode needs to be open, and you have to check the account panel so that it loads the certificate. Just yesterday, I could troubleshoot this small weird feature. Interesting. I've never made any kind of phone games, but it's good to know. Definitely some useful knowledge. Just have to work with people who won't quit and actually want to get a game made. Yeah, but like knowing who that person is and who that person is, it can be pretty hard to know. Like you never really know what someone's thinking, you know? You could work with someone for like 6 months and then they just up and disappear. You never know. I once worked with someone to make a game. Only problem is the other guy thought it would be funny to delete everything. Yeah, screw that. Hell nah. I'd be pissed. And that's why I would still have a backed up version of the game on a zip. Oh god, yeah, that's screwed up. Oh damn, yeah, that's crazy. That's why I wouldn't make a game with strangers. Yeah, you never know. You never know what someone's gonna do. Same, if the person isn't in front of me, I can't trust. I mean, it depends. I feel like I could work with people on the internet, but yeah, it would have to be someone that I've like gotten to know for a while. That's the cool thing about like doing Twitch though, is like I can kind of like get to know people, and if I decide to work with anyone that I've met through Twitch, I've had at least some build-up time to like get to know some people. But like I've had random people that I've talked to like once that were like, hey, let's make a game together, and I'm like, no. I don't know you. It was backed up though? Yeah, smart. Definitely smart. Definitely smart to have it backed up. Yeah, Twitch has been nice for networking. Yeah, Twitch, those the software and game dev page is a great way because it's always like the same people in there every day, right? So you can kind of get to know people that way. So you kind of build relationships through Twitch for sure. You can get to know people that way for sure. I think your guy wanted to delete unused content. That's just crazy. I'd be pissed. Yeah, getting to know is good. Yeah, always a good idea. Always a good idea. Poncho O Sinju. Hey, let's make a game together. First time chat ever. Hey, let's make a game together. What up? What you got going on? What up? What up? I'm a guy you can trust 100% to make a game with, etc., etc. Yeah, I mean, it depends on the situation, you know, like, it depends on, like how you want to put the game together, like, how you want to, like, there's a lot of things that go into, like, working with a team that you got to consider, right? Like the, like, how are you gonna, like, divvy out the workload, who does what, you know, all of this stuff, I don't know. I've never worked with a team. I don't know what it's like. I don't know the process of working with a team. Getting a GitHub or, you know, anything like that and converting all that stuff together. I've never done that, so I don't know what that's like. I mean, you could have a full authority or admin access over the project because you are trustworthy as a public figure. You know what I mean? Yeah, you're talking about if, like, I personally kind of, like, put a team together. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't want to, like, it would depend on, like, your role. Like, if it was, like, I don't even know what the damn role names are called in a team. Like, project manager or something like that. If you're the project manager or something. Situations like that, basically like the manager of a game. Jesse, what up, Jesse? What you got going on? Hey, how are you? How's it going? It's going good. We're sitting here kind of talking about teams and stuff. I made physics-based rope bridge. Ooh, I bet that's cool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Poncho Sinju, I appreciate the follow. And La Pampa Dora, I hope I said that right. I know I said it earlier, but I don't remember how I said it. I appreciate the follow as well.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Thank you. I'm new, just browsing around the UE category. Pretty chill here. Hey, I appreciate it. You're new? So do you mean like you're new to game dev, or you're new to Twitch, or you're new to the software and game category? What are you new to? The situation too? Yeah. Oh, I'm stupid. I thought all this time I was adding cement between the bricks. It's mortar, not cement? Oh no. I mean, does it still look good though? If it still looks good, just roll with it. Is it mortar? I'm confused. It might be. Something people want to, people want to play together, something everyone wants to do, and what they are all good with, setting timelines, etc. Yeah, pretty much just like, yeah, setting the rules and like all of that for the project, like something everyone can agree on to make as far as like working with the team. Like trying to get, I think it's kind of hard. Like a lot of people, what they try to do is they try to start a game themselves, and then they try to like bring people in on that game, which that can work. I have, you know, heard of like situations of that working, but I feel like people would be more interested if like the project was started together, because that way there's like, you know, everyone had input on like what the game is and like kind of putting it together. Because if you're like just making a game and trying to bring people in on that game, they basically, you know, they had like no input on what it is. They're just going by like what you're saying the game is. And yeah, so it's kind of different, you know, if like you're kind of like a studio, you know, they have like certain people that are putting all of that kind of thing together. Here, I'm getting way behind. Let me catch up. I did something like that before. Like putting teams together and like setting timelines and stuff like that. Hey, your game looks so awesome. Will I put this game on, will you put this game on Steam? Hopefully. That's kind of the goal. I would like to get it out there. It'll be a while. We're actually about to start up a second project. Something smaller than this that I can get done a little bit quicker. This game will take a long time. It's an RPG. It'll take a long time. So I want to start up another side game. I'm thinking of like a small horror game. Something smaller that we can get done faster. Yay, Skyrim music? Yeah, Skyrim music is awesome. Friggin' amazing. Soon at 500 followers, my man? Yeah, where are we at? Are we at 499? Something like that? We're almost to 500. Yeah, we're at 499. We just need one more. Just one more. One more. Lamp if you want. Hell yeah. Yeah, I would be down to make a game with other people, but it would be good if there was a task system so we all know what we're doing on the game, etc., etc. Yeah, the thing is, like, communication too. Like, they're probably, like, especially if you're working with people on the internet, there needs to probably be like a weekly, like, Discord meeting or something like that, or like, you know, a webcam meeting or something where everyone that's on the team can kind of get together and know what the goal is for like the next few days, and if not, while you're like working on the game, you know, like even on like a daily basis, if you wanted to, you could just sit in Discord chat with the people that you're working with and kind of talk about what the hell you're working on and shit. Started as an idea. What started as an idea? Lamp if you want. Is that a game? My bad, yeah, I am new to UE, as in I did a couple of environments learning the ropes, trying to find what direction I want to go. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, I actually think that's actually the perfect place to start with. Start with environments, because that'll help you get familiar with the, you know, the general UI and stuff, getting your way around Unreal Engine, rather than diving straight into more complicated stuff. I think environments are a great place to start with Unreal Engine, because you could just kind of... It's not overly complicated, at least not initially. And yeah, it can kind of help you get familiar with it. You saw the next-gen character semi-real human demo from Zaku. It's amazing what UE5 limits can do graphically. I don't think so. But what up, Waypath? What you got going on? What up? 4-ish months in? Oh, nice, nice. Hey, you'll get there. You'll get there. Yeah, I've been learning for about 5 years now. But it's fun. It's definitely a lot to take in, but hell yeah. All right, I've got a lurk. How long do you plan on being on? Probably like another 30 minutes or so, and then I normally go for about 2 hours, and then I take a break for like a few hours, and then I get back on, and then we do another few hours. So yeah, RPGs usually take years or more than years. Yeah. So this is gonna be kind of like my baby. So I want to have something on the side that's smaller and easier to accomplish. So this will be one that we come back and forth with, and then I want to have... I'm probably going to start up a horror game. I've already kind of started the game design document with it as well. So, yeah. This one will take freaking forever to build. Here, let me catch up on YouTube over here. And I'm very much looking forward to your horror game. Even I got one project made already 1 month ago. It's called Redwood Experiment. Hell yeah. Yeah, we're probably going to start on that probably on Wednesday. I'm working on the game design document for it a little bit off stream. I got a little bit of that started, and then yeah, we'll probably start doing that. I'm trying to debate on how I would want to schedule that, like 1 day horror, 1 day RPG, or maybe like 1 week horror, 1 week RPG. I'm not too sure. Not too sure. Or maybe like 2 days horror, 2 days RPG. I don't know. I gotta figure out a scheduling system for that. Casey, yo, what up, Casey? What you got going on? What up, what up? Not if I unfollow. Don't do it. Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this? Why would you do this? My friends tell me to make a game. Lol. I am like, I just know how to drop place and make things good. That's it. I mean, you could make a game. You could make a game. It just takes a lot of work. Just a lot of different things to learn. Different time zones can also be bothering. Yeah, time zones. Yeah, especially with working with people on the internet. Like, you could literally have completely flipped schedules. But, like, I mean, you could always do, you know, like, you know, just chats as well, and then try to do, like, you know, some Discord communication and stuff like that at the small little time periods that you are both awake, if that's possible. But yeah, time zones could definitely be a bitch as well. So as an idea about what you said, to start with everyone from the start. Yeah, start with everyone from the start. I think that would make people more interested if you're gonna work with people from the internet, for sure, rather than trying to bring people in. Oh, we got ads. Some people might got hit with ads. Take a second here. Alright, one more ad. Okay, ads are over. Alright, let me try to get caught up here. Caden is silly, yo, ayo, just bought my Twitch for TwitchCon. Oh, you're going to TwitchCon? Hell yeah, exciting! You gotta let me know how that is. Been following this God World artist for 5 years. Here's one of the lead artists in the industry, and tested on 4090. What it could do? Here, let's see what it is. I'll probably here. Yeah, we'll just play it. Let me pause this. Actually, we'll just turn the music of this down. Yeah, this shit looks amazing. Yeah, it's crazy where graphics have gotten. Unreal Engine 5 semi-real virtual human demo. What are they making the character with? I'm kind of curious. Yeah, it looks good. Is it metahuman? They're hiding the neck. Probably not. I don't know. Yeah, that looks good. That looks hella good. Here, let me catch up over here real quick. Finally figured out how to get the face images to switch on the button when I swap the genders. Yeah, it's not too hard. Yeah, it's normally pretty straightforward. It's just like checking if they're male or female, and if they are, choose this face, and if they're not, choose this face. Pretty straightforward, but hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I bet it's looking friggin' amazing. Though I am nowhere near that level, yeah, that level of detail is crazy. I'm not either. Yeah, I think it's good to work on multiple projects as you can balance your week between the projects. Yeah, especially if you're working on something crazy big like an RPG. Like, this is gonna take years no matter what. So, like, having something that I can bounce off of, kind of keep my mind fresh. You know, if I start to feel burnt out, have something that, you know, can, I don't know, just refresh, something smaller and more attainable. Because, like, a horror game I could probably get done in, like, less than a year. An RPG, though, that's gonna take years. So it'd be nice to have something easier. Punch just subbed. I appreciate the sub. Take it. Yeah, I got what you're saying. It's easier to annex into one path, like making level design, characters, VFX, etc. Making a game is doing all of them in one and making them work. Yeah, well, that's also the thing with, like, you know, depending on, like, your team size and, like, how many people you have and, like, what kind of information they know and what they can do. Like, especially in, like, a smaller team, you know, in, like, 5 people, you're still probably gonna have people doing more than one thing. Just because there are so many different areas that exist in, like, making a video game. But, like, yeah, definitely in, like, the bigger the team that gets, the more that there will be people like specializing in, like, one specific area and stuff. At least that's how I'd imagine it would work. I've never worked in big teams like that, but that's kind of how, like, that's what makes sense to me. Oh, nice. Geek vape? Yeah, I've had this vape for a long time. This Aegis. Long time. Yeah, going with 16 others? Damn, that's a lot of people. Hell yeah. Yeah, well, I hope it's fun. I've never gotten anything like that. I know, right? The closed physics too. The eyes are usually the hardest part to make. Work I saw? Yeah, so on the AIs that I make, the eyes were pretty rough. The eyes on both my wolf and my little, like, bunny dude are kind of janky. And the rendering speed in ray tracing path is so fast. And Lumen? Yeah, Lumen's pretty nice. Lumen's pretty expensive too, though. Like, when I turn on Lumen, I drop like 20 frames, but if I turn it off, Lumen looks nice. I have Lumen turned on right now, but, like, it definitely takes up a solid amount of frames for me. I'm kind of curious to see what the frame difference is on, like, an actual, like, good PC, though, because my PC is pretty low grade. Here, let me catch up over here. Nah, not the mesh, the icon image. And it was not as straightforward as one would think? Really? The icon image isn't too bad. It's kind of the same thing, right? Like, if you're male, set it as this icon. If you're female, set it as this icon. That's the way I normally do it. But hell yeah, at least you got it figured out, though. Each project also helps you learn something new. You might be able to use in another one. Yeah. That's basically been my whole entire, like, Unreal Engine, like, development process so far. Is, like, making a project, getting so far with it until I hit a roadblock, make another project, and, you know, just keep. Every project that I've made, I've gotten better at something with. I do reading in free time. It helps me bounce off and keep my mind off. Plus, give me ideas. Yeah, I wish I was more of a reader. I'm not too big of a reader. It depends. I like reading informational stuff. Like, I'll read the hell out of some Unreal Engine, like, document stuff. But like reading, like, books and stuff, not really my thing. I could do a similar thing too. A similar thing to what? What you talk about? Or just do like that guy did, a Stardew Valley guy game. One guy everything for 5 years that almost went insane even. Yeah. I mean, there's a few games like that where it was made by one person and it popped off. when you get errors and get stuck, is the most annoying and hardest part to fix. Plus lots of Googling. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. You get hella stuck on something, especially when you're like completely new. You can get so stuck that you just stop. Like I've had that happen. I just quit a project because like I have no idea how to fix my issue. Bought a T200 Geek Vape 2. My clumsy ass hands drop things sometimes. Yeah, I can't tell you how many times I've dropped my vape. Yeah, but it's expensive. Yeah, Lumen is expensive. Lumen, I drop at least like 20 frames when I turn it on. Unreal Engine documentation is poor. It is, but like you can find some pretty useful information in there. And especially in like the forums, I actually feel like I find more things in the forums of like other people helping each other. I find a lot of fixes to my problems in the Unreal Engine forums. Or on Reddit. Like you also find a lot of people talking about problems in Reddit and stuff. Lurk, hey, I appreciate the lurk, Ryan. I appreciate it. Shroduck41, yeah, what up, Shrill? What you got going on? Exactly, yeah, the forums could be useful. Finding, like, just reading conversations of other problems that people have had. That's logically what you'd think, but it won't work. You have to build the image to a function and then set the slate brush with a new slate brush variable. Oh, yeah. The make slate brush and then set the image and yeah. Yeah, I wasn't thinking about that. Yeah, it is a little bit more than if, yeah. Yeah, I get what you're saying now. I get what you're saying now. Yeah. Yeah, it is a bit of work. It is a bit of work. But hey, you got it now though. I never understood those software packs that are sold as a Humble Bundle and stuff. I mean, is that legal to use copyright and stuff? Because you get a lot of stuff for those bundles and software tools, so I'm guessing it's okay to use them since they are sold products, like assets and stuff. Are you talking about like from the marketplace? Like the Epic Marketplace that comes with like stuff from other packs? Because I've seen that too. Like I have packs in here that are using stuff from other packs that I have. I see people stuck on things all the time. Takes them hours to find out how to fix it. Yeah, you gotta do some crazy digging sometimes. She can get crazy. Yeah, UE store as to for money. Yeah, I don't know. I've seen stuff like that. I feel like most of the I don't know. I'm not too sure what how the legal side of things like that work. I have no idea. I haven't really looked into it. All right, I'm gonna do a quick pee break. I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. And you might see that in older or other games too. It makes you worry if those companies won't pressure you. Are you talking about like using like packs in your game? Like if you're using the same packs that other games are using? Is that what you're talking about? So we'll do that. We need to change this color. Let's set this to 0.5. We'll try that one out. Let's see how that color looks. So, vampire. Set it to 0.3 maybe. 0.3. Vampire. Not bad. Maybe 0.4. Yeah, 0.4. I do like 0.4. We'll do that down here as well. Cool. Let's check that real quick. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So, let's... All of these should be good now. Let me just comment this one. Hydrate. Good old water. Good old water. Okay, so Gorgon female. There you go. Cool. Oh god, I thought my dog spilled something. Oh god, just spilled something. Now you gotta be careful. Lord Kenny will try to get you with the fake Discord notifications. He got me one day with a damn fake Discord call. I thought someone was calling me on Discord. I was like, who the hell calling me on Discord? I'm about to eat. Be right back. Yeah, we'll be hopping off here in a minute as well. Another maybe 10 minutes or so. Okay, that should be fun. Bon appetit. Yeah, enjoy your food. Enjoy your food. Enjoy as a meal. Okay, well, I'll catch you later then, man. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, we'll see you around. We'll see you around. We will see you. Thank you, man. Awesome stream again. Bye. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, you have a good one. So let's see. So we got that situated. We need to set up the... I need to change some things with... Where are they at? All of this stuff right here. So this will set to 0.4. Oh god. Who did that? Stitcher King? Or no, yeah, that was Stitcher King. Damn it. See you, Kenny? Yeah, we'll see you around, Kenny. Okay, so that one should be good. I need to change the button, though. Just gonna be over here. Let me open this. And I need this one. I'm dead. Did that one get you? I'm normally pretty good about not getting too bad on the jump scares. Okay, so this guy right here, we need to set to 0.4. Remember those collision issues I was having when holding one? Yeah. Did they come back? I just found the best fix to stop the interaction line trace. Hitting it, well, I sent you it. Oh hell yeah! So you just stop the damn line trace. That makes sense. Hell yeah! Got scared because I'm on Unreal now, only because of that. Just like hella not prepared for it. Completely caught off guard. Let's see. That one. There we go. No, on the actors to ignore, I just got my item. Child actor, Mega Ray. Oh, I see. Actors to ignore. Hell yeah. So freaking out. It's really freaking out. Okay, looks like it's going. Yeah. But either way, yeah, we're gonna call it here. I'm gonna take a break for a bit. What happened to the stream? I don't know. It should just started wigging, dude. Should just started wigging. No sound anymore? Ah. All right, yeah, we're gonna raid out. We're gonna raid out. So, Let's see.